everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady here with some more seed and potato bag updates. Now it hasn't even been a week since my last update, but everything is growing so fast. And that is two things. The days are getting significantly longer and the temperatures have been consistently just above freezing. So we haven't been super hot, but we haven't been cold either, and everything is just jumping into its spring motion. So first, I want to show these broccoli seedlings, which are bound for the tower garden, the aeroponics system. They have germinated in my heated shed in under a week, and they are ready to go into the tower, and I will be sharing a video on exactly how to get your aeroponics system up and running. Now, an update on my seed trays. This is what Abby and I sowed like 2 weeks ago, the kohlrabi. And everything has germinated really well, except for one 6-pack. And it occurred to me that in the chaos of filming videos, I actually just skipped this. I didn't sow it. So I'm gonna get that sown today. That way I don't waste the soil. And then the potato bags. Everything is growing. They look amazing. Honestly, I am so psyched about this experiment that like my whole world kind of revolves around coming out and checking these potatoes in between Zoom webinars. So let me give you an up close and personal view. So here's the bag that was planted as pieces that had been in the heated shed from the beginning. And you know, I filled this last week with more compost, and you can see it's already time for me to fill it with more. And then look at those roots. It's just the coolest thing to see. I thought that it was gonna be cool. It's far exceeded my expectations. Here is the one that were the whole potatoes that stayed outside at first. And then I put them inside because we were getting so much rain, and now they're really starting to grow. But you can see the difference. Nowhere near as much growth. And I contribute that to them being outside in the cold. And then the small pieces that Abby and I planted a few weeks after those Caveen bags are just starting to develop. And you know what we're gonna do here, we purposefully only put a little bit of compost in, because as these grow, we're gonna keep layering more compost. I'm probably gonna give this another couple of days. Probably by the weekend, it'll be time to refill this. And again, I really like this bag. I gave you the wrong name. This one is this brand, Joyon, and it doesn't have the plastic insert to see the roots, but it does have the little opening that you could harvest the tubers out of. And you know, the main thing is there's so many types of bags in the market, and I've grown in a lot of them. I just think these are constructed really well. They're very sturdy. I think they're gonna last a long time. And I love bags with handles because I move these basically every single day. I hope if you live in an area that's experiencing nice weather, you're able to get outside and enjoy it. And for those of you living in colder climates, have faith that spring will eventually make its way to you. Now I have to head back into my office because I have an afternoon and evening full of Zoom webinars to give, but I cherish these moments where I get to escape into the outdoors and share these updates with all of you. Thank you all so much for watching.